Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about flooding in California. Recently we were talking to a real estate group and they brought up a question, or really a topic, and that is that it doesn't flood in California. We really don't have to worry about it. There are some major flood threats in California, especially in the Sacramento area, even in these coastal areas. So yes, it does flood in California, but California has an even bigger threat of flooding now with all these wildfires over the last 5 years, with the vegetation going down, especially in the mountain areas. Those are areas where people really overlook the flood threat in California. See, what happens is when this vegetation goes away, there's nowhere to stop that water coming down the hill now. A lot of homes that sit at the bottom of this hill could be in major trouble. So yes, it does flood in California, and it's important to understand what your flood insurance options are in California. In California, technically, you actually have 3 options, while in most states, you have 2 options. Of course, you've got the National Flood Insurance Program, or FEMA, but then you've got private flood insurance, but you've got 2 different types. You've got what's called admitted and non-admitted. Remember, admitted is when they have to follow by certain state guidelines. It means that a carrier just can't pull out with a claim being paid out through the state fund. It means that if you have a bad experience with a claim and it's an admitted company, you could file a complaint with the state. And you don't have a lot of these protections with non-admitted companies. So it's important to understand that in California. So if you've got questions about flood insurance options in California, minimizing your flood risk, your flood insurance cost, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.